For the first method, head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once you're on it, we're going to expand network adapters, and I'm going to put something on screen right now. You want to look for that or something similar to that. So it might say wireless or something for you. I'm using an Ethernet cable so it doesn't show. But once you find that, you want to right click on it, head over to properties, and then click on driver, and then click on update driver, and click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that the best driver has already been installed for your device. If it hasn't, then you could just do all the updates which should come up right here. For the second method, we're going to head over to search and type in run. Then we're going to type in ncpa.cpl, click on enter. Once you're on it, it will either say Wi-Fi for you or Ethernet for you. No matter which one it says, we're going to right click on it, head over to properties, and then you want to double click on Internet Protocol version 4, and then make sure that use the following DNS server is ticked. You want to make the first line 1111, and you want to make the second line 1001. Also make sure that obtain an IP address automatically is ticked, and make sure that there's nothing here. Once you do all of this, click on OK. Next, we're going to right click on the Windows Start icon, then head over to Device Manager again. Once you're on it, we're going to expand network adapters, and then we want to find our wireless adapter. It will be on screen or something similar to this, like the first method. Then we're going to right click on it, and then click on Properties, and then we're going to head over to the Advanced tab. And then we're going to look at the Property tab. I don't have these settings that I'm going to show you right now because I'm on my computer using an Ethernet cable. But I'm going to put everything up on screen right now. You want to copy all of this. You want to make sure that the 802.11a BG wireless mode is set to value dual band. Make sure that on channel width for 2.4 GHz is set to value auto. You also want to do the same thing for channel width for 5 GHz. Make sure that the value is on auto. Make sure for the property fat channel intolerant, the value is enabled. Make sure that preferred band is prefer 5 GHz band on the value. And then you want to make sure that roaming aggressiveness is on value lowest. Once you do all of this, click on OK. Once you do all of this, restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, head over to the bottom right, and then you're going to have Wi-Fi right here. And then click on Wi-Fi. You're going to have two options, but with the exact same name. The first one is 2.4 GHz, and the second one is with the same name, which is 5 GHz. Connect to the second one. These three methods will greatly increase your Wi-Fi speed, but the best method hands down is to either go on Amazon or eBay and then type in Ethernet cable, and then make sure that it's long enough. So this one's 5 meter, you could type in 10 meter, 15 meter, and then connect that to your laptop or your computer. And this is the best method to increase your Wi-Fi speed.